Hi there, welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So I have this boxing coach. Well, we're not really boxing in the ring beating up on each other, but we work on these heavy bags, and our coach is about my age and just terrific. And I've been with him a long time, and he does so many things that are great. I want to share them with you because they really make a big difference. A lot of our members keep coming and coming and coming because they really feel like a part of a family. You know, it's hard to get enough people to go to an exercise class. There's so many classes available anymore in exercise, from yoga to boxing to everything. It's hard to get a good following. He does. I think this is the reason, or reasons why. You'll very often see him wrapping someone's hands before you put the gloves on. There's a wrap that you put on. It takes quite a little while to put it on. Now, you can look it up on YouTube and someone can put on their own hand wraps, but he actually does this and he talks to them about how are they doing, what's going on, as he puts on the wraps. There's folks that never look it up on YouTube and they come to him still after all these months and months because I think they appreciate and enjoy that time together with him talking. He actually names some of the drills that we do. He may say, here's the David Special, and the David Special may be some certain boxing routine we're going to do on the heavy bag, and it's one of the people in our group. So he connects people like that. We'll celebrate someone's birthday at the end. We all get together and sing them happy birthday after a hard workout. He does personal things to really let people know that they're noticed and important to our group. So in our cleaning companies, it's not just right about money and giving them so many hours in cleaning equipment. It's about really being grateful to have them and showing that we're grateful to have them by how we treat them. I just thought you'd appreciate that story. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You can do this.